Ours is a world that continues to evolve. Threats have grown increasingly more complex, and the battleground is no longer contained in land. It now extends into cyberspace and beyond. The challenges demand greater adaptability, greater discipline, and further commitment to the nation's security and progress. And yet, through all this, the Philippine Army has never wavered. Sa panahon ngayon, hindi sapat ang tapang at husay ng isang sundalo. Kinakailangan na ang panindigan hindi natitinag sa harap ng pagsubok, ang prinsipyong hindi nababaluktot ng takot o pangamba, at ang pusong laging handa maglingkod ng tapat at walang hinihintay na kapalit. Sa anumang institusyon, hindi sapat ang ranggo o kapangyarihan. Ang tunay na sukatan ay ang kahandaang isantabi ang sariling interes para mas mataas na layunin. Pagamat iba-iba tayo ng papel na ginagampanan, dapat mangibabaw ang ating adhikayang bumuo ng mas nagkakaisa, mas makatarungan at tunay na mapayapang bansa. These efforts are part of a broader vision, a nation where Filipinos no longer need to worry about their safety, where they can build a more dignified lives for themselves and for their families. When peace and order are in place, we can pursue knowledge, we can work towards prosperity, and we can contribute to our country's progress. To achieve this, the government must lead by example. We strive for a government that listens, that acts and serves with integrity. That is the only way to rise above adversities and move forward as a people.